Hey guys, so there are four cons of buying the Xiaomi Road Vacuum E10 if you're thinking about buying it. I just wanted to make this quick video for you. The first thing is that it lacks advanced LiDAR navigation system, resulting in slower cleaning and the inability to store permanent maps. Important. Then you don't have no-go zones. The third thing, the battery life and charging time is also no good, and like primarily the charging time is long. And then this is the comment that I read, and I just want to share it with you too. So just the way the app work itself and forcing you to create account tells how much spyware it is, and you can just use whatever email service to create the account on the app. Example is Proton Email. It says not secure email, while it's probably one of the most secure email services out there. So this was also a problem with the cameras from Xiaomi. And this is the thing that I just wanted to share with you regards account creation. But other than that, it's compact design, easy to use, good for small spaces. It's capable of vacuuming and mopping simultaneously, which is useful for comprehensive cleaning. But I just wanted to share with you some important things that you need to know. So have a great day and goodbye.